I think there we go. Now we're live. Now we're live.
We should be live in effect. All right, let's make sure that we're live here.
Hey, everybody, just so you know, Ricky forgot to hit start broadcast. We've been talking to you now for the last 4 minutes, literally thinking you all heard us. So that's pretty funny.
So, guys, I mean, I got Mike Fusame on, okay? He's the co-founder of GrooveKart, but he's been building software companies as long as I know him. What we were talking about is funny little story how I met Mike. I met Mike back in 2007 at an internet marketing event. You want to go ahead, talk about, how you started building software at that time and how I kind of met you, and we'll get into it.
Yeah, I've created some legendary softwares in the industry, things like Butterfly Marketing, Deal Guardian, Evergreen Business System, EverWebinar, Webinar Jam, Kartra. I was a co-founder of those companies. I sold that company 2 years ago. Sat on the sidelines for the last 2 years while I have a 2-year non-compete, and that ended in March. And then I wanted to move into a different space. I wanted to get into the e-commerce space because frankly, I think that's where the billion-dollar industry is. And Ricky was the one telling me, you've got to look into e-commerce, Mike. He's been pioneering the last couple of years. And so Ricky and I know each other because 12 years ago oh my gosh, Ricky approached me at a seminar right when I got done speaking. I was a keynote speaker at a seminar, or maybe I was just attending. I really don't remember. I might've just, showed up there. Those little cha-chings, Ricky, are new customers getting into GrooveKart. So yeah, Ricky tells me, listen, I've got some great ideas for some software. And Ricky came on to be my lead developer. And, the thing was, Ricky was too smart to do something like that. He was an entrepreneur at heart and learned a lot from me. And I saw what a hustler he was and pushed him off probably in 2009 or 2010. And he went on to basically create, one of the biggest names in e-commerce today. And we're launching our software. We started December 4th and we're closing in just a few hours. And Ricky right now, literally, is putting this entire launch on his back, our #1 affiliate, and said, Mike, let's get on a late night, last minute hour hangout. Let's talk to people about e-commerce. Let's talk to people about GrooveKart, why they should be on it, why they should buy from you. And he asked me to do something even special on this hangout as well. So I'll turn it back over to you, Ricky. You can ask me any questions you want.
All right. So as you know, Mike is he's a veteran. He's a pioneer in the industry. Okay. He's been around the block. He's built the company up to 25 million plus. Okay. He's excellent at software. When I first met Mike, I was just a developer. I was leading a developer career. Yes, I was a marketer too, but I was still had my fingers in code every single day. I actually took my rent money, okay, that time in 2007, and I bought $1,000 ticket to come down to Florida to see these guys, Gary Ambrose and Keith Wellman at the time. Mike Fusame popped in as, a guest presenter. And he, what, one thing I had to say about Mike, he had like everybody around him. After he talked, he had a full crowd around him. I could hardly even get next to the guy. And I kind of snuck my way in. I had my card out there. I had a developer, my old business card. And I said, hey, Mike, I said, it was great seeing you on stage. I really respect you. I've been following you for years. I said, since his Butterfly Marketing, I actually bought his Butterfly Marketing back in that time. And like, I gave him my card and I said, hey, listen, if you ever need an extra developer, just let me know. So he's like, I can always use it, a couple of good developers. I'll be in touch. And then, hey, listen, he's showing me the ins and outs of a $25 million business. He's growing, scaling software. And I got to thank a lot of, of my success to him in that regard. So, not only the GrooveKart is launched, okay? This is like the Shopify killer of 2019. Okay, this thing literally replaces ClickFunnels. Okay, every software has their own purpose. Like if you use ClickFunnels for different things in ClickFunnels, I'm not saying drop it, but
yeah, no, it doesn't. Right, it doesn't replace ClickFunnels for doing digital marketing.
Yeah,
if you're trying to duct tape ClickFunnels around Shopify, you'll no longer need either one of those.
Well, the thing is that, look, okay, the problem with ClickFunnels and Shopify is that you need an additional software called CartHook, and that's going to cost you $300 a month. Plus, they take, I think, up to 25%, not 25, some kind of percentage of the transactional fee based on how much volume you produce. So you're losing money there. See, with GrooveKart, you don't even need to do that no more, right? You can basically have its own ClickFunnel builder inside of GrooveKart and make custom landings that you can have high-ticket e-commerce on, supplements on, print on demand on. This thing has Teespring built into it. This thing got a design studio. This thing got themes. Mike, what you could do is maybe just go into the software quick, maybe share your screen and show everybody like what they're getting if they get in before, 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Okay, cool. Now, guys, Ricky and I did a webinar the other day. We had a huge problem
Yeah.
because we showed the demo and people got so excited and started typing, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. And they were just going to the site and buying, and they weren't buying from Ricky. So it complicates things. Stick around just 5 minutes if you're excited and you see something you like and you want to buy it. It's the first time in my life I would ever say, don't buy GrooveKart just yet. Ricky's going to tell you how to buy so you can get his bonus. And I'm going to give you a bonus on top of that. And we're going to make this quick today. This isn't going to be one of those 90-minute webinars where we're doing a slow demo and everything like that because time is running out. So basically, let's first say this. The first thing you got to remember is that, Shopify has 3 price tiers, but really anybody that's making over $1,000 a month has to be using advanced Shopify. So that's $299 a month. Then you're going to spend about $200 in using third-party apps, like Ricky was just saying, one-click upsells, Wheelio, countdown timers. Everything is $19.9 a month on top of that. And then they take a percentage of your store, up to 2% of your gross,
Yep.
not your profit. Not the fact that you're already paying them. You're paying them for apps that you have to pay for your products. There's shipping, there's advertising, there's all of these different costs that are involved. On top of that, they want 2% of the gross profit of your sales. That's not your merchant account fee. That's just a because fee. We don't have that. We built the top 25 apps in, but here's the legendary stuff. So let's put it this way. Shopify is great. They have great products, categories, basically a coupon and a checkout page. And that's about it. You want to customize the checkout page? Can't do it. Want to add all these conversion things and one-click upsells? Either you can't do it, you gotta buy all these different things like ClickFunnels, Cart Hook, all these different things.
Yeah.
You're probably going to be spending about $500 a month before you even make a sale. Then you got to share your profits with them. It's just insane. So, Ricky, I'm going to share my screen right now if that's cool.
Yeah,
I
sure.
believe I click what? The control
The
panel
biggest
here?
thing, guys, okay, is this. If you're Shopify advocates right now, you love Shopify, I'm not even telling you drop it, okay? However, I'm dropping it specifically because, number one, it's going to save me a lot of money by moving the GrooveKart. I'm going to have my design studio, my designers in it. We already integrated Slingly into it, okay? So Slingly, I'll show you a little demo later. We did this on the see, if you're watching this on the bonus page itself, under there, you have the full webinar we did the other day. It'll show you everything in detail. You got some time to watch it after this call is done. But you guys want to get in. So all I'm trying to say is you can have this as a backup right now in case you don't want to use Shopify anymore. This is going to save you a lot of money. I'm thinking, look, like guys, it's $497 for a full year of this. Okay, the price is raising, and all the bonuses we got on the table are going to expire. So, Mike, show your screen showing why they should really move over
now. Ricky, do you see my screen? I believe you do, right?
Yeah, I see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's what they say, so we don't bury the lead here. We have a sale. We've been open now for 12 days. We expire midnight on the West Coast, like Hawaii time, whenever that is, like in 8 hours, right?
Yep.
Okay. So there's 3 plans that you can go with. The one we're talking about today is the annual plan. It comes out here, as you see here, at $41 a month when you play annually. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through why that is. This is what happens after the launch. Okay, we're taking away some features, and these will be the prices. And then this price will go to $149. But right now, $50 coupon makes it $99 a month. It comes with everything I'm about to show you. Okay. And then when you take $99 a month and you multiply by that by 12, you can see your total annual cost is $1188. So normally people save you 15% on top of that, and that would make the annual price $997. We're giving you a double coupon with the annual, making it $500 off of that, making it $497 a year. Okay. And for $497 a year, you're going to be getting all of GrooveKart, everything I'm about to show you. It also includes this thing here called GrooveKart Academy, where we're teaching you Facebook and training, and we've got different experts and things like that. Another bonus that I'm going to be giving you as well in just a minute. It also includes a live event ticket to GrooveCon in April. We're going to be announcing the exact dates and the location. It's either going to be in Orlando, Tampa, or San Diego. Ricky's going to be speaking there, myself, Matt Serralta, John Cornetta, and about another 8 legends of e-commerce. That ticket is going to be $997. And you're going to be getting a ticket free with GrooveKart today. Plus, we're going to give you another free ticket for your spouse or your significant other or your business partner. Absolutely free. Okay. So you don't have to pay anything else. Okay. So the most you're going to pay today is going to be $497. It's going to include everything that we're talking about. Okay. So let's look at GrooveKart real quick. I'm going to go down the webpage in about maybe 30 seconds, and then show you the good stuff. So first of all, these are the bonuses I just said that you get: GrooveKart Academy and the live event ticket. GrooveKart is a better, easy to use, and more affordable Shopify. That we just showed. You know, what you pay in 1 month for Shopify, you'll pay in a whole year for us, right? We made it easier, more affordable. As we said, it's ready to convert on mobile. We've got things like countdown timers, number of people watching, a sticky button on scroll, all these things that you've got to attend mastermind meetings to find out how to do this stuff on Shopify.
Pretty
Our
much.
pages are mobile ready. If you got a Shopify store, one click of a button will import your store. Doesn't mean your Shopify start working. It just brings your data over, and you'll have 2 stores until you decide to cancel the other. Of course, it has one-click upsells, but not just that. It has funnels. It has pre-transaction upsells, order bumps, like Amazon. People that bought this also bought this. These 3 products are bundled together. Suggestions at checkout, customization at checkout. It's so much that it's so many darn features are just too cool to list. Right here, we've got a drag and drop page funnel builder. I'm going to show you that in just a second. On top of that, we have something called our Premier Design Studio that lets you build your own t-shirts. Some people would get this just to get into the t-shirt design business, but you can get designs from Ricky, from Slingly Design Club. You can go out and buy them anywhere you want. The bottom line is you can use this to upload images onto a shirt or build your own. Okay. Next, we have something called Layer App. What that means is you have, let me see if I have something probably in here. You have something like this, right? And I'm going to show you this again in just a minute. But basically, you can drag a pattern onto what we call non-traditional apparel. And you could sell sneakers, high tops, boots, pillows, wall art, leggings, women's sneakers, kids sneakers, just by dragging a pattern onto something, putting the virtual item in your store, no inventory. And then when the people buy it at retail, it goes off to a printer, gets printed and shipped to the customer for you, all off hands, and you pay the wholesale price. So you might sell it for $69 and they'll charge you $18. Okay. Next, we're working with print-on-demand companies. PrintX with Ricky Slingly. We have T-Launch coming, T-Scape coming next week, T-Launch coming early 2018. We also are working with a company right after the holidays. We're going to be introducing print-on-demand supplements. You have 40 different categories you can get into. You want to get into skincare, weight loss, women's health, men's health, testosterone boosters, focus, energy creatine powders, you name it, minerals, the oils, CBD, all that stuff. If you want, you can pay extra, and have the $1,000 setup if you want your own formula. We asked the company, it's never been done before, give us about 40 different varieties of bestsellers, make them unique so they're not anybody else's out there. And they said, okay, for Focus Health, these are the ingredients you want. For minerals or men's health or whatever, they made these things ready to go. You design your label, and we help you with that. And then you're in the print-on-demand business. Get 100 people paying $29 a month on your free trials and your signature. You got $3,000 a month just from that. All right. And of course, like Oberlo, we have this little Chrome extension, hard to see right here, but you basically go to AliExpress, find any product just like this. You want to take a drone and you want to add a product to your site. I'm doing this really quick because we didn't have time for a full demo. If I want to put this to my site, my little Chrome extension says right here, add this product like this, finds all of the images. I click submit. Guys, this is now in my GrooveKart store. Just like that. Now I can go in and change the prices. The beautiful thing about this is when somebody buys this in my GrooveKart store, I think it looks something like this, right? Yeah. When they buy it, these drones I can get for about $6 to $10 shipped to the customer, plus shipping. So maybe like $13. I can sell these things for $45, $39, $105, whatever the case is. So here's how it works. Customer comes to my store. They check out, beautiful pages. Let's see how this looks on on a mobile device. Okay, I can change it here to an iPad or anything so I can see what it looks like on a mobile device. And as you can see, we've got how many people are watching, how many are in stock, countdown timers, all these beautiful things, even another add to cart button put down at the bottom so they don't have to scroll back up again when they're done. Okay, so just wanted to show you that real quick. So now the customer clicks add to cart, and then I go into my back office store and I would see that I have an order, and I would click on Ali Connect. real quick, Ricky, I would then go to my orders and I'll see that I have an order. I simply click place order. Now, what it does, it will go to AliExpress, find that product. It'll hit add to cart, automatically in the background, put the customer's shipping information, and then it'll charge my credit card that I have on file, like I do with Amazon. So it'll charge me 13 bucks, and I've collected $70. It ships it out, and then it charges me 13. So we've got all that stuff. So real quick, Ricky, we said that we've got the GrooveKart Studio, right? So I want to show you guys real quick. These are sites on webinars that I've built over the last few webinars. Basically, I could build what you're seeing here, this particular website, in about 5 minutes, okay? In fact, what you're seeing right here at GrooveKart.com, I built this entire website that you're seeing in GrooveKart Studio that you're getting. This entire website. Here's how it worked. I simply go to my builder, right? Let's exit this, and I'm just gonna in 3 seconds build one of these particular sites for you. Ricky, watch this. I choose my block. I need a header section, right? So I'm gonna drag this over here. Okay, I'm gonna now change the background image. Okay, I've got that preloaded in here just to show you, but I think everybody gets that. I hit apply, and now I've got the background. We see that this is a little too dark, so I'm gonna change my font to white so it stands out a little bit more, and the sub headline to white as well. Still a little bit too hard to read. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the image, the whole hero image section, and I'm going to diffuse this just a little bit by changing this background color to blue and making it a little transparent, just like that. And just like that, I've got that. I need to add a footer. No problem. Alphabetically, I go here, take my footer. I simply drag it down here. I could, once I do it, I can just click here and add to favorites. So I never have to add all this stuff again. All this stuff is, drag and drop, all that type of stuff. I can change the text in any button. I want this to match my site. I simply just hit this little gear over here. I change that color to what I call my GrooveKart blue. And just like that, just 2 more things, Ricky, just because it's not a full demo. If I want to add features,
of course.
Yeah, I want to add maybe some testimonials. This is what I call my hero testimonial. And let's add, some little customers over here. If I want to add, like some video, we can go to, let's say, whoops, not call to action. Yeah, somebody just bought. I can now drag this over here like that. This is a video. I simply come over here to my video and I change my YouTube ID to whatever the video is. I can now take this. This color doesn't match my site again. So again, we simply just make that, let's make that like a gray. All right. And then I do this one over here like that. All right. So this is what I call a left to right, left image, right text, right image, left text. And again, when we change the color, sometimes you've got to go in and change the font color so that it matches. But I think you get it. I can go in, I can edit on the fly with all this stuff, Ricky. So, it's nothing like you've got to, wait like, the old optimized press where you want to change something, you don't see it happen. Hello world, right? Just like that. And then when I'm all said and done, Ricky, some other things that you can do with this, I can add pages. I could add my features page, my contact page, an about page, all that different stuff, and just add these pages onto here. And just like that, when I go back to my main index, now if I wanted to change these, this would now just become features like that. And then I link it to my features page. And I'm actually building a nice site like DJI Spark, right? And when I'm all said and done, I hit save. It takes about 5 seconds to save. The next thing I need to do is say, where do I want this to go at my site? Yes, you can get a custom domain. So if you want to get your GrooveKart store and you want it wrapped around tinylittledrones.com, you just buy the domain and tell us where to point and you're all said and done. So here, I want to put this in my drones. I'm just going to call this really cool drones because I've made a few of these sites today, right? Really cool drones like that. And then I hit save, Ricky. And then from here, now that it's got the settings, I simply click over here to upload and I say, which pages do I want? All of them. I hit publish. And then that's going to publish that right to the web. So that's guys, I wish I had more time to show you all this stuff, but time is running out. We really want to get to the fact that you can get access to this today when you pay annually for just 41 bucks a month.
Right below the video here, okay? If you're watching on YouTube, there'll be some links. You can get over to the bonus page. Right on there, there's a full demo. You can see everything super nuts of what we did, building a site out from scratch. uploading and stuff like that. So what you're seeing right now, Mike is trying to go pretty fast because he has other commitments tonight. Plus, you gotta understand that this is closing. Okay, the price, the bonuses, everything is closing. Okay, at Pacific Standard Time tonight. So if you really shouldn't think about this. I mean, $497, a one-time payment. You get in for a year. You're going to be able to have Obello built in, not ClickFunnels fully, but you're going to have a ClickFunnels page builder for your Shopify. I mean, for your e-commerce stuff. They're working out deals with supplement companies. I mean, wait till I show you my bonuses if you haven't really went through them. Mike, do you want me to show them the bonuses now, or you want?
I'm going to show them real quick. I'm not going to do a demo on these things. You hit the designer. This is what I was saying before, guys. You go in. You want to put images and design. Start designing a shirt, front and back of a shirt or whatever. We've got that built in. There's another customer that just bought. Here's what we call our layer app. So basically, what this allows you to do is take designs, write like this, and just start dragging designs onto non-traditional products and upload them to your store. I mean, this is a full wraparound, guys. I don't have the time to show you all of this, different stuff. And then I basically showed you the AliExpress, how to add these products right to your store. So, Ricky, basically, I'll turn it over to you. But I'll turn it over to you, and then we'll tell them what bonus I'm giving on top of yours, and more importantly, what's going to happen when that countdown timer hits 0. All right.
All right. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna share my screen so you guys should see my screen. Okay, just to give you an idea of what we got on the table here and how I am literally making this even more of a deal. Okay, I've spent a hell of a lot of money building my Slingly platform, and Mike can attest to that, right? And in our Slingly platform, we have over 17,000 print-on-demand designs ready to sell. Okay, you don't have to do any design work. You don't have to hire designers. We have expert designers that design monthly for Slingly. Okay, different products from leggings, the unisex shirts, the tote bags, the canvases, the 5-panel canvases, the mugs. Again, all auto fulfilled, like GrooveKart does with their own suppliers and vendors. Okay, we even have stocking and stuff. Now, this is where it gets even more exciting. All right, if you're over here and you want to upload a product, okay, to GrooveKart, all you gotta do is click this one button. You're gonna click your GrooveKart stores. Okay, that's gonna pull up all your GrooveKart stores, your collections. You're gonna set your price over here, and you're gonna click add the store. And in the background right now, what it's doing, it's uploading this design, unisex shirt, ready for you to sell immediately on GrooveKart. And you can do that with your own designs. I'll show you the product creator. So let me just go here and show you what this looks like. Okay, once you're logged in, I'm not sure if I'm still logged in from yesterday, but basically right now, this is taking me to where the product was uploaded. So let me just click this one button because that's what you have to do to get, after you do it from the admin, it's going to ask you to do that. Not a big deal. And let's go over here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now the product has been added. All right, so just to see what it looks like, yeah, boom, all your images have been added. If you have any variations, your pricing, look at your variations. Okay, they're all done for you inside of GrooveKart. You don't have to do this manually, what you would normally have to do. Like you're in Shopify, this used to be a pain in the neck to do, right? Your descriptions are done for you, all right? So anything that we have and we have sold and tested with, you can even make your own descriptions that you want. Any kind of product options, completely up to you. We did all the default configuration, any kind of search optimization that you want to put in, okay? And it's really simple. You click the preview button, and then you can see this live on your GrooveKart store, ready to sell. Now, this is a default theme, okay? What we're gonna do for everybody that gets in is one of the bonuses. We're having Matt on, right? And this guy Matt is a co-founder of GrooveKart, and he's a conversion specialist for e-commerce. He's gonna show you how to ramp up your GrooveKart theme and make it extra special, like they have it on their drone stores and stuff like that. But that's only one bonus because you're getting Slingly for 1 year free. Now, Slingly is gonna cost you $497 a year itself to get access to Slingly and have access to all our products that you can sell now with the GrooveKart with one-click ease. But with Slingly, you also can come over here and you can make your own design. So you have your own print-on-demand admin that you can come right in here. Okay, and these are designs and stuff that I made. You see, we even have GrooveKart's layer app built into Slingly. Okay, if you look over here, this is the layer app that he was just showing you, where you would put your own images on. Well, with Slingly, you're getting hundreds of layer app already made designs that you can upload and sell with GrooveKart as well. So that's another benefit of having Slingly on your side. And to create a product, it's really just simple as just clicking a button, picking, whatever product you want to create over here. So I'll say I want to make a black mug. Okay, maybe I want to make a right design, left design, full wrap design, etc. Or maybe I want to make a unisex shirt. Okay, so maybe I want to run a clothing line with my designs. I could do this. I have a front, back design, front pocket design, whatever. Upload your image. Come over here, pick your colors. Very simple. You want to add, say, a long sleeve to this? Click that button. Now you have a long sleeve to sell with this. You want to add, say, a hoodie with this? Click this button. Now you have a hoodie to sell with this. And then when you create this product with your design, it's going to be uploaded right to your catalog admin so that you can upload this right to GrooveKart, your whole product line that you want to sell. So Slingly makes it stupid simple to create product lines with one design, and you can make as many as your own, or you can use ours. Now, I'm just going to walk you through the amazing bonuses that we got on the table if you take action right now. I actually put the link in, it's in the chat box. Okay, it's on the right side of the video. Okay, if you want to get everything, this is going to bring you right to the pricing page. Okay, it's go to that link. It'll bring you right to the pricing page. You can get your options. So look, Mike, I'll let you explain about your bonus, okay? But so with GrooveKart, you're getting drag and drop publishing editor. This is going to be your ClickFunnels for Shopify, okay? If that makes sense. This is built right into GrooveKart. You're going to have your Teespring built right into GrooveKart. Drag and drop, hundreds of resources and images you can put on already. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to make that even better. Okay, you have the layer app. You even have that in Slingly itself, and you also have it built right inside GrooveKart. Okay, you got my designs that you can sell in Slingly. You got Mike's designs that you can sell in GrooveKart, however you want to do it. Okay, what's awesome about GrooveKart is it's made by seven-figure e-commerce marketers by seven-figure e-commerce marketers, and they have pretty much put everything you could possibly think of into it. One-click upsells. They give you, what about 100 apps right now that you can integrate into it that you have to buy?
25.
Okay, 25. Okay, yeah. I'm getting ahead of myself because I just love GrooveKart. Right, yeah. So basically, they're giving you apps that you can use right out the box. You don't have to pay additional fees, no monthly prices. Okay, you can have the wheel app. You ever been on a Shopify store and you see that little wheel pop up, that spins for a discount? They got that built in. They got other integrations. Slingly, like I said, is already integrated. You have like all the stuff that helps you convert in a store built right in. You have your Oberlo replacer. So this actually does automated drop shipping. They made out deals with a company that's going to give you automated supplements where you put your labels up. And me and Mike have a plan to even do something better with that, which I'll let everybody know who gets in. All right. And they made it affordable. That's really what really, it's going to save you thousands of dollars. It really is. It's going to save you thousands of dollars. So what I lined up is a special Q&A because I know a lot of you got questions. I lined up a special Q&A with John Canet and Mike Fossame and the team, and we're going to go show you how they set up the GrooveKart store properly so you hit the ground running in 2019. There's this preview of all the apps. Like I said, you're getting Slingly. I've spent over $1 million on this platform. Okay, I didn't even scratch the surface of what Slingly could actually do because I'm short on time here. Okay, the only thing you need to know that it's integrated into GrooveKart, and it's a long-term project just like GrooveKart, and we're going to continue to integrate things even further. But this is what's going to be really, really special. If you get in by midnight tonight, I'm also giving you 1 year access to my premium design club. Now, what that means is that my designers design 50 premium designs that we do not put in Slingly. People pay $97 a month or $297 a year for this program. Okay, now I'm gonna actually give this to you for 1 year free with Slingly if you get the annual package for GrooveKart itself, right? And to make it even more hot, okay, I got a custom private call I did with a monster e-commerce marketer called Robert Navar. We did 3 calls that explains how you can customize your products, private label them, white label them, get better supplier deals and whatnot. I'm throwing it in the members area of the design club just because I want to add more value. And Mike, we weren't going to extend this bonus, so why don't you explain to them about this bonus that we extended?
Sure, and I see that people are asking questions about, hey, Mike, how do we sell drones and supplements on one store? So what you can do, remember, the important thing with e-commerce is that you really don't want to be sending people directly to like what Shopify wants you to do, sending
Exactly.
them to where there's an image and a one paragraph checkout. What you basically do is you create what's known as a storeless page, one page, over at with your GrooveKart Studio, and you just send them to that one page, let them go there, and then they check out. And we're going to have all types of training on that. So don't worry. In fact, I'm even talking with Matt about allowing us to maybe add additional domains for your GrooveKart Studio store. So if you create a drone site, maybe you buy a domain for $15 and you attach it to that particular site. And then if you want to do a t-shirt site, you could build a site and then you just send them over to your GrooveKart checkout store, where they check out and they do all the one-click upsells. Either way, we'll go over that with you. Going to make it very easy for you. Ricky said, Mike, what's going on with webinar control? Okay, so look, not only did I create GrooveKart, but I sold my previous company, Webinar Jam. I had a product called webinar control. After selling my company the last couple of years, I've been going out doing consulting, and I created a course. We sell about 5 to 10 of them a week at $1,000, $997.
Yeah.
Okay. And Ricky, I'm going to steal the screen here from you if that's
All
cool.
right. Yeah, no problem.
How do I do that? Let's see.
You got to go up to the top, and it'll be where you got to click the green button on the left.
I see it. Yep. All right. Tell me when you see my screen. All right. Okay. You should be seeing my screen. All right. So webinar control is basically this, guys. It's two courses. One, webinar genesis. And if you think this is just 5 little categories here on doing webinars, if we click on registration, you notice right here, there's 6 modules in registrations, and getting traffic, there's 9 different modules. And then so this was a webinar course for beginners. Then I have webinar control. This is advanced stuff that people pay me $25,000 for consulting. You have all of this stuff right here. We have webinar experts: Brendan Bouchard, Russell Brunson, Jeff Walker, Jason Fladlin, Onyx Singal,
nice.
Evan Pagan, Mike Koenigs, you name it. I've interviewed these people, and it just keeps going. How to do product launches with webinars. Look, nobody does this stuff better than me, guys. I'm just being honest. I know how to do webinars and funnels and brand launches. So you're getting this. You'd have to go pay $997 for this. You're going to be getting this today for free. Nobody else is getting this with GrooveKart. This is something I'm only doing here with Ricky. Some copywriting bonuses, different things like that. So the bottom line is, this is a $997 bonus product. I don't want to spend too much time on it. All right, because it's just a bonus that I'm giving you, and only on this Hangout or the other webinars that I did with Ricky. All right. And so, Ricky, we're going to tell them how they get access to that, basically by buying your bonus. And I'll be fulfilling that by the end of the day on Tuesday for anybody that buys through you.
Well, if you look underneath, if you're watching this on YouTube, underneath there, you got a couple of links. If you want to review all the bonuses, all the demos, the replay, everything, you want to go to the first link, which is GK-bonus. If you want to see the full sales page for GrooveKart, then it's going to be going to the second link. If you want to just buy it right now, then go to slingly.com/GK. That's going to bring you through the pricing page.
And let's do that, okay? Because this is what you guys are going to need to do. I put the wrong URL there. So it's slingly.com /GK, just like that. Slingly.com /GK. Let's do this for everybody, Ricky. Slingly.com /GK. All right. And when you do that, that's going to bring you over to my pricing page, showing you how many hours that you have left to get this. Now, as I told you, there's a $99 package that gives you everything from GrooveKart, but it doesn't give you Ricky's bonus, and it doesn't give you the webinar control bonus. To get everything that we spoke about today, including Ricky's bonus and the
to get webinar control, to get Slingly for 1 year free, to get the design club for 1 year free, to get the Q&A,
live event tickets, GrooveKart Academy, webinar control, Slingly design club, all that stuff. You go to slingly.com /GK. When you get there, scroll down and click right here. Now, remember, I want you to make sure that this coupon is applied, half-off-full. When you click here, I have it into the URL right here. So you see right here, it automatically adds it for you, but make sure that it's added. When you check out, choose your temporary store username until you get your custom domain. You're going to pay $497 today. You will get the 2 live event tickets, the GrooveKart Academy, GrooveKart Studio, GrooveKart Design, GrooveKart Supplements on Demand, Layer app, Slingly, Slingly Design Club, and Webinar Control. Guys, that comes out to $41 a month. I honestly can't think. I can understand if somebody didn't want this, they probably left the first 5 minutes in. But I can't imagine that somebody would be on this call right now and seeing, Ricky told me, he says, Mike, if we flip this thing around and just basically said to people, hey, me, you, and John, we're going to train people on e-commerce for a whole year and give you GrooveKart and Slingly for free for 1 year, people would go nuts. So also look at it that way, guys. We're giving you an education on e-commerce. And you pay $497 and you get not just something like Shopify, but you don't have to pay $299 a month. You don't have to pay for additional apps. You don't have to pay a percentage of your store. You get the pre-built money, the pre-built businesses on demand for you with Ali Connect, so you don't have to buy Oberlo. You've got the Slingly, and again, I don't want to repeat myself. I think you get it all. It's listed. Honestly, there's more things that you're getting that are actually even listed here. There's more things than even listed here.
This offer is just insane, Mike. I mean, the value that you got and everything that's built in the GrooveKart, the pricing, okay, that people are going to get into, the actual designs, the quality of the software, plus everything that I'm adding onto it just makes this an irresistible no-brainer, as well as the GrooveKart Live, GrooveCon. I can't wait to be that. I'm going to be speaking there. It'd be great. Show you guys some stuff. So look, I'm excited, guys. I don't want to make this too long, and Michael has other commitments tonight. As remember, this is a launch going, a grand opening. This is going to close midnight Pacific Standard Time, so you're going to want to get in. So the link is right there. If you're watching this on the bonus page, all you got to do is go to the below, look for the green button. It's going to say Access GrooveKart. You click that one button, and you can get right in and be guaranteed to get my bonuses. Once the timer on any of the pages, so whether you go to Michael's GrooveKart.com or you come to my bonus page, when that timer, they're both synced. So when you hit that timer, it goes 0, the deal's off the table. And I got a lot of people that wait to the last minute to get in, and and it's because life, they're busy. It even happens to me. And sometimes people miss it, and they're like, oh crap, something happened, or they forget about it. I did that too. I forget about something. And you know what? At this point, okay, we spend a lot of money a month in development. I spend a lot of money for my designers. So does Mike and his team of developers and designers. So at the end of the day, we can't give this away like this anymore. Like, it's going to be a month.
So Ricky, let me talk about what's happening once this goes away. Okay.
Yeah.
So when this goes away, first of all, the $500 coupon goes away. So this price goes to $997. Okay. And then this goes to $149. And you're going to lose the live event tickets. You're going to lose your bonus, and you're going to lose the webinar control. And as you can see, we're going to have some lower price points and stuff, but you don't get GrooveKart Studio, Page Builder, Design Tool, and everything like that. This $99 goes to $149 a month. My math, that tells me that just over 10 months would be $1,500. So you're looking at $1,800 a year. It's going to be going to, and you're not going to be getting your bonus. You're not going to be getting my bonus. You're not going to be getting the live event tickets. You're not going to be getting GrooveKart Academy. Why pay $149 a month and get thousands of dollars less when you can pay $41.42 a month when you pay $497 today? So it's not about what you get today only. It's about what happens, the consequence of passing up on this offer. This is like one of those things when ClickFunnels first came out, and Russell was doing his webinars, right at the beginning, and there are still some people grandfathered in to some crazy prices with ClickFunnels. We're doing the same thing. We're doing a launch. We're getting the word out. We've been working on this thing for 2 years. Lots of money went into doing this. So we're giving it away right now to create a splash, get people talking. It gives us money to reimburse for the 2 years. Guys, when you develop something for 2 years and you've got programmers, it costs over $450,000 that you're just paying people, and you get to this day and you just hope that people like it, right? And if you've been hearing the cha-ching going off, every few seconds. So here's the deal. When this goes away, when we come in here, this is my pay kickstart. Okay. So Ricky needs to be tagged with the order here. And so here are some people that just bought from you at 828 over here at 807 while we were doing this.
Well, you're
already getting access to
the bonus. You get everything we promised. Okay.
All right. So that's it. This is where you go. Slingly.com GrooveKart.com/GK. It'll take you right to the pricing page, and you get access to everything we went over today. There's nothing we spoke about that you don't get.
100%. All right, well, Michael, I know you're very busy. Thank you for being on tonight. Go take care of the rest of the team. I know you guys are going nuts right now. When the launch happens and stuff, you're getting so many customers, so many emails coming. You want to take care of everybody. So we got to respect Michael's time and his whole team. So, Mike, thank you for being on. So, guys who was watching, this replay will be automated live on the bonus page. That's how Google Hangouts works. So you'll be able to see it again if you missed anything. Everything's listed on the bonus page. Super nuts. There's nothing like that. Everything's promised. Once that timer goes to 0, it's 0. So, Mike, thanks a lot for being on. Appreciate you, buddy, as always, and I'll be in touch with you soon.
Okay, guys, I want to say one more thing. I'm gonna throw in. All right, if anybody gets their order in the next 10 minutes, I'll give you till 9 p.m. If you get an order in before this timestamp here says 9, if it says 9 o'clock, you're in. If it says 9:01, you get everything we spoke about today. I'm going to throw in one more bonus for them, Ricky.
What?
If they get in before 9 o'clock, what we're going to do, you, me, Matt, and John Cornetta are going to take them out to dinner with the speakers when we do our speaker dinner.
What?
Okay. This is not something that anybody can buy because we're not going to have the room for that many people. So we're going to be taking people to Nobu or a Roots Chris Steakhouse, what we call the speakers dinner. You, me, and the 8 other speakers, and John and Matt. Anybody that buys on here, Ricky, I hope you're not doing this on a replay or anything, because I don't want to give you more work to have to take out. I don't want to piss people off. But if you're buying, okay, just come to us at the event. All right, let us know that you came in, and we will take you out to dinner with us in the private limo, and you're gonna get to meet these speakers, and you'll hang out with us all night. If we go out for cocktails after, whatever the case is, this will be a life-changing event.
I guess only for anybody who purchases from 8 o'clock when we started this till 9 o'clock.
Anybody that purchased. And Ricky, if you've got a couple of fans that absolutely love you and they're like, but Ricky, I bought yesterday on the webinar. Yeah, you come to us. Don't tell anybody what you're doing. Come out of the elevator, look for us. I'll let you know about the speaker dinner. I'm going to have Michelle find everybody that purchased on this webinar. Okay. This hangout here. All right. And you will come out to dinner. You'll hang out with us the entire Saturday night. Sit right next to me and Ricky, or pick your speaker, and you'll come out to dinner. Dinner will be on us. If this purchase says 9 o'clock or sooner, I think some of you guys are buying right now. Let me just see. I'm just gonna click refresh right here. Okay, yeah. Joel Maroney just purchased at 8:42 p.m. Gets access. Cliff, for some reason, if you didn't get tagged,
I can meet you at GrooveKart. It's gonna be really sick.
Okay, so that's it, Ricky. If it says 9:01, you don't come to dinner. If you get in before that, it'll take you 3 minutes to go through the checkout. So just do it now. Go to slingly.com/GK. I want to thank you guys for coming here. It's very exciting. We're closing our launch in just a few hours. Ricky, thanks so much for doing this. #1 affiliate I've ever had in the history of every launch I've ever done. It's absolutely amazing.
That means a lot, Mike, coming for you. I gotta really say that. Honestly.
Yeah. Well, you did the work, bud.
No doubt. All right, guys. Look. I don't want to beat a dead horse here. Either you're in or you're out. Your decision to make it true for yourself. Let's rock 2019. Again, Mike, thanks for being here. Guys, thanks for being here. I will see you on the trainings.
Oh, wait. We just had another cha-ching. Hold on just a second. Just want to see if there's anybody else we're going to congratulate. Let's do a refresh.
He's here.
Another one, too. Just 2 more came in. Hold on. Refresh again. Okay, yeah. Timothy Knight just got in at the last second there with you, Ricky. So it's gonna be interesting going to dinner with you, Timothy. So thanks for making it, and anybody else in the next 12.5 minutes. Talk to you guys soon.
This is awesome.
All right,
that's gonna be great. All right, guys. So get in before 9 o'clock, and you'll be able to get it. If everybody's watching this on the YouTube live, I'm sorry we can't extend that, but you're still gonna get all the bonuses on the page. Okay, which is still worth the bottom dollar. Plus, you can get GrooveKart live ticket for free for you and your spouse, and then you're gonna meet us anyway. So that's pretty cool.
All right,
guys. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.